I am now on the west side of Three Fountains of Viera, and today is September 11th, 2017, the morning after the hurricane. And I want to show you what I can see from here, so that if you have relatives in the area or you evacuated, you can have an idea. Here on the west side, we had some new construction that held up very well. As you can see, that's good news. Future residents, the high school. To the left of that, we have the health department. From here, on the third floor here, I can see pretty good. I don't see any broken trees, any trees down, or debris. The parking lot looks clean. We had a new strip mall here that looks great, nothing torn, no broken glass. Our parking lot looks very good. I spotted some roof. The roof looks good, but I spotted some roof tile on the grass. So that is something that is going to need attention. Torn screen there. So this is the west side, looking pretty good. I see some people on the road already. And let's go to the east side. That is where we were. We were on the first floor, facing the pond, and that is the side that took most of the beating. That light fixture's gone. For about 5 hours, it was non-stop. We lost that lid. So I guess some people didn't close the latch. And well, okay, here is an exit sign about to go. I see some ceiling damage. Last night, I was watching this Weather Channel meteorologist from Orlando around 12:30, and there was not much going on over there, and we were getting pounded. I am thinking, why you don't have to send a crew to the beach side, but here in Viera next year, just send someone this way. It was non-stop, winds blowing. Here's our pond, which is now looking more like a lake. Let me give you the right perspective because it's so wide. And here we go. We were keeping an eye on that water level last night from our window. Our unit is right down there where you see that torn plant there. I love that plant. I don't think I can save it. The water level is almost to the top there by the pool. The pool looks great. I don't know what they did to protect it. I can see from here some hoses coming out of it. There must be a trick to it. I don't know, but it looks great from here. I saw some people this morning taking buckets to this area right here, picking up water. Electricity, and I do have some running water, but the pressure is very weak, so I can only use that for washing dishes, not for flushing toilets. So not to worry, plenty of toilet water here. Okay, so I feel very blessed, fortunate. Looks good, looks wonderful. And let us continue to thank God and to pray for those that are still in the path of Irma.